As you are aware, at about 10:15 hours today, a blast occurred at the Delhi High Court near gate number 5. This is in police station Tilak Nagar of New Delhi. Latest information that we have indicate that 11 persons have died in this unfortunate incident and 76 others are injured. Most of the injured people have been admitted to the Ram Manohar Lohia hospital, and the information that I have now is that out of the injured persons, 2 are in a critical condition in the ICU, while 51 are admitted for surgical and orthopedic emergencies. These 51 people, as our understanding goes, are out of danger for the present. The investigation of the case has been transferred to the NIA by the Union Government in exercise of its powers under the NIA Act. The NIA has requested the Delhi government and the Delhi police to associate and assist them in the investigations. We have sent out an alert to all states in the light of the incidents of Delhi today, and they have been advised to enforce all possible precautions in sensitive areas. A forensic team of the CFSL Delhi has collected forensic evidence from the spot, and this is being examined for clues. The NSG post-blast investigation team has also collected relevant trace residue from the site of the incident, and it is conducting forensic examinations. These reports of scientific investigation shall be available to the investigating agency, that is the NIA, shortly. Our preliminary investigations reveal that the blast created a small crater at the place where the explosive charge is suspected to have been kept in a briefcase. This is near the reception center of the High Court. The examination of the scene of the blast indicates towards the possible use of nitrate-based explosives with some traces of PETN, but this, I may caution, is a result of only preliminary investigation and is subject to confirmation. Delhi police has been put on high alert and vigorous investigations are in progress, including checking of guest houses, hotels, sarais, bus stands, railway station and airport. All entry and exit routes from Delhi and into Delhi are being put under extensive surveillance and checking. Neighboring states have also been asked to send their ATS experts to examine the scene of the blast and assist in the investigation. Thank you. The copies of this will be available through our media.
Sir, what is the PETN, sir? Can you
PETN is one kind of explosive.